Having a hangover can be a painful experience, but there are ways to help alleviate the symptoms. One of the best solutions is to drink plenty of water throughout the day to rehydrate your body and improve your headache. Vitamin packets mixed with water can provide a quick pick-me-up. Fruit juices high in fructose, such as tomato juice, orange juice, and coconut water, may improve how quickly your body metabolizes alcohol. Ginger tea can combat nausea and stabilize blood sugar levels. Avoid caffeine as it can worsen dehydration. Eggs can help cleanse the body of toxins. Bouillon soup is a good source of vitamins and minerals. Eating foods rich in potassium like bananas, kiwi fruits, and leafy greens can combat tiredness and weak limbs. Flavorless foods and complex carbohydrates like oatmeal or whole grain bread can also boost blood sugar levels. Getting plenty of rest, preferably in a dim or dark room, can help your body recover. Taking a brisk walk can speed up metabolism and clear alcohol from your system. Consider over-the-counter painkillers to alleviate headaches, but avoid acetaminophen-based ones. Finally, antacid pills can neutralize stomach acid and relieve indigestion.